Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the best Divers Reef Hook. So this is a double reef hook with a stainless steel cable, double ender, so it's pretty strong, nice and traditional sort of reef hook, so you can attach it onto a rock or something secure in the water. If there's a lot of current heading towards you, you can clip it off, clip into a BCD D-ring and just kind of hang where you sort of want to be. If you're going to watch something big like hammerhead sharks or something cruising past, but you don't want to be fighting that current, then that's what your reef hook is for. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives. It's got a little sort of cardboard backer with a barcode on the back, cable tie that can be dispatched quickly. Okay, and then we get the actual sort of clip itself. So as you can see, it comes with a double ender, and that's the sort of the shortening device, as it were. So you can clip this off onto a D-ring, and then it's only about 20 centimeters long. But if you want to, you can undo that pinch clip, and then you have this long extension, which can extend through my sort of arm's width almost. So you can attach it onto the reef and then attach that onto your BCD, and then you'll sort of drift back, but you're still actually attached. There's not much of a lip on this to really sort of clip off onto it, but there you go, it's pretty strong and secure. And yeah, if you're sort of caught in current, then yeah, you just sort of, you're staying in place. So taking a closer look at the clip itself, so we have two hooks at one end. These don't have points, these are just square tipped, but because there's two of them, there's that kind of dual redundancy, so even if one slips, you're still attached. Very strong and secure stainless steel, these aren't going anywhere. Moving down, you just have a loop, and that's kind of pinched. I imagine if I really wanted to, I might be able to pull that through. It's quite a good tug. You'd have to do that purposefully. That's not something you can do by accident, but you have a strong loop that goes down to that coil, and again, that's kind of linked down here, so really strong and secure. If you can see on the inside of this kind of red outer plastic coating, you have a stainless steel woven cable on the inside, so really strong and secure. The coil, so it naturally kind of contracts back into itself, but it will extend, so you don't have to do any kind of complicated knots with rope to really sort of shorten it. It just naturally shortens itself, and then the current will take you as far back as possible, and that's it. At the far end, you have another loop that's really strong and secure, and then you get this stainless steel double ender with a pretty nice motion on it, and so that's like a 90, and then yeah, you clip one end to that, one end to a BCD D-ring, and you're ready to rock and roll. When you're done with it, how I'd probably attach it was probably like that, and then you still have that sort of bolt snap, attach it onto a D-ring or stow it away in a pocket, so it's nice and secure, and it's pretty nice and compact and tidy. And that's the best Divers Reef Hook. So double hook, nice strong coil, metal coil. Yeah, I can't really fault it. It's nice and strong. This is pretty much exactly what you need for any kind of drift dive, to hook onto it and stays really secure. There'll be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.